Welcome to MBBS Council. With NEET score cutoff, you can predict your chance to get MBBS seat in particular quota, such as All India quota or Telangana state quota. But it will be difficult to predict your chance to get a particular medical college. In this video, we are going to see how to predict your chance to get particular medical college with better accuracy based on your NEET rank using MBBS Council and RIDE app. NEET rank cutoff for all reservation categories for all Indian medical colleges are available in MBBS Council app. If you have not installed MBBS Council app, you can install it by clicking the link in the description below. If you need counseling guidance, call MBBS admission helpline number 044 4631 3330 for personal guidance. Okay, let's begin. Let's start with the last year Telangana state government quota NEET rank cutoff. For BCB category, last year All India rank cutoff was 71,054. Telangana state rank cutoff, that student was 3,243 and BCB category rank was 550. This means if your Telangana state rank was less than 3,200 last year, you would have got MBBS seat in any one of the government medical colleges in Telangana. Also, if your Telangana BCB reservation category was below 550, you would have got government college MBBS seat through Telangana state quota. Telangana state quota counseling registration begins 2 weeks after the NEET results are announced. After Telangana state quota counseling registration, Telangana state merit list will be released by State Counselling Authority, Kaloji Narayana Rao University of Health and Sciences. You can get your Telangana state rank as well as reservation category rank from this merit list. For example, Nelavelli Mansvi, highlighted in the merit list, secured Telangana state rank 10 and BCA category rank 2. You can calculate the category rank by counting students who belong to that category from the merit list. Predicting college using NEET score gives the least accuracy as it depends mainly on the difficulty level of the NEET question paper. So, NEET score cutoff varies significantly every year. Predicting college using last year All India rank cutoff provides better accuracy compared to NEET score. State rank prediction gives better accuracy and state category rank gives the best accuracy. After the NEET exam is over, students use NEET score cutoff for prediction. After the NEET results are announced by NTA, they can use All India rank cutoff after the state quota merit list is released. They can use the category rank cutoff for prediction, which gives the best accuracy. General category students do not have category rank, so they can use the Telangana state rank cutoff for prediction. You can see All India rank cutoff, state rank cutoff, community rank cutoff for all Telangana medical colleges in MBBS Council app. You can see Nizamabad Government Medical College cutoff screen here. Here SQ denotes state quota, BCB denotes backward class category B, F denotes female and NL denotes 15% non-local quota, and the last number denotes the counseling round. You should consider the second round cutoff as final cutoff for government colleges. So 44,795 was the All India rank cutoff, 1673 was the state rank cutoff and 267 was the BCB category rank cutoff. Category rank cutoff do not vary much every year. So if your BCB category rank this year is close to 260, then you have very good chance to get Nizamabad Medical College under BCB reservation. Category rank cutoff may increase depending on the new MBBS seats added this year for the reservation category. This is the list of various quota available in medical colleges. If you belong to open category and your All India rank is less than 2000, then you can try premier colleges like AIIMS through All India quota. Tuition fees would be less than Rs 50,000 per year. If your All India rank is less than 50,000, then you can try state quota in government medical colleges. If your All India rank is less than 80,000, then you can try state quota in private medical colleges. Tuition fees would be around 60,000 rupees per year. If your All India rank is less than 2.5 lakhs, then you can try management quota or open management quota in private colleges. Tuition fees would be 11.5 lakhs per annum. If your all India rank is less than 7 lakhs, then you can try management quota in deemed university private colleges through MCC counseling or NRI converted seats in Telangana state quota counseling, for which tuition fees will be 23 lakhs per year. When you select college predictor option from the home screen, you will be asked to enter which quota you are looking for. Which cutoff do you want to predict? You can choose All India rank cutoff or state rank cutoff or category rank cutoff or NEET score. Choose All India rank and then enter 2 for the round selection and enter your All India rank. After that, click Predict Colleges button. You will see a list of probable colleges where you have a good chance to get. Cutoff details will be displayed along with the type, quota and reservation category. If you want to know the quality of medical college, simply tap the college details to get tuition fees, total number of seats, number of PG courses, average patients per day, total inpatient beds, etc. Using these details, you can judge the medical education quality and clinical exposure of a college. This brings us to the end of this video. If you are looking for college predictor for any other state, comment below. If you need counseling guidance, call MBBS Admission Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video. Thank you.